How to apply for Amazon Flex delivery job in Canada 2025. If you're looking for flexible income in 2025, Amazon Flex might be exactly what you need. Most people assume it's complicated to apply, but here's why it's actually simple when you know the steps. Amazon Flex lets you deliver packages using your own vehicle and schedule. Drivers in Canada typically earn between $20 and $30 per hour, depending on location and demand. First, download the Amazon Flex app from the App Store or Google Play. Open the app and sign in using your Amazon account. If you don't have one, you'll need to create it. Next, select your region in Canada. Availability depends on your city, so some areas may have a waitlist. Don't be discouraged. Many drivers are accepted as demand increases. You'll then complete the application by entering personal details, your driver's license information, and vehicle details. Most people get stuck here by rushing. Double-check everything to avoid delays. After that, Amazon runs a background check. This usually takes a few days. You'll also watch short training videos inside the app that explain delivery rules and safety guidelines. Once approved, you can start booking delivery blocks directly in the app. You choose when you work, how long you work, and how often. You won't believe how quickly you can start earning once approved. The surprising truth about Amazon Flex is that consistency matters more than speed. Reliable drivers often get better block availability. If flexible work fits your lifestyle, Amazon Flex is worth considering in 2025. Subscribe for more legit side hustle and job guides.